Storm Center 7 weather specialist Nick Dunn is here. Nick, this is really going to be hard for folks who work outside.
That's exactly right, Gabby. And in fact, we have a measurement that we can use to actually tell you just how dangerous it really could be. This may be a new term you've never heard before. It's called the wet bulb globe temperature. So what exactly is that? Well, let's break it down for you. Essentially, this is a derived product that measures the heat stress from direct sunlight. You factor in things like temperature and wind and humidity, also cloud cover and the angle of the sun. All those things together give us what is called the wet bulb globe temperature. Now, as we move ahead to Monday, I am a little bit concerned for this because the current forecast, based on what I'm seeing from the National Weather Service, indicates a high risk for heat stress, meaning that for every hour that you work outside, you're supposed to take a 40-minute break afterwards. That's really dangerous, especially for those of us that may be outside wanting to do some exercise, or those of us that may be outside for outdoor sporting activities or at camps or anything of that nature. And it's not just this to kind of help communicate just how dangerous the heat's going to be. We're also wanting to remind you that you want to drink plenty of water if you're going to be outside for any extended amount of time. And even if you're indoors, it's good to stay hydrated with lots of water. Try to take breaks in the air conditioning if at all possible. And be sure that you're wearing loose and lightweight clothing. Now let's break down the exact air temperature, or just how hot it's really going to be, coming up in the full Storm Center 7 forecast in just a little bit.